Doing a little crawfish boil today. Just finished peeling all of our boiled eggs. I cut up some sausages and got some pre-cut corn defrosted. Also the potatoes from Rouse's.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Look at that masterpiece, y'all. Hey you guys, I'm back with more errands, of course. I feel like every time you guys will see me, I'm gonna be running some sort of errand. But I'm going to return that bouncer that we got for our son. He's so little, he can't make it bounce manually on his own. Try to go find a walker for him that he can like bounce around in and walk around in. And I'm also gonna return that ugly ass laptop case that I got that they sent me the wrong one. So back to Whole Foods to make that return like I did the last time. And I will just see where else today goes from here. We're excited. Just made it to Whole Foods.
First and last name. What'd she say? She said, girl, do I look like a Whole Foods top?
I'd rather do this any day instead of going to like a post office and having to go through that. Next stop, Target. Does anybody else just absolutely love Target? So let's see what we got in here today. Look how cute these bottles are. They're not $40 cute, but I really like that. Ooh, y'all look. They actually have little weights in here. I kind of want to get me some because I'll be doing at-home fitness. Let me see if I got it, you guys. People just walking by the aisles at me, lifting dumbbells in the store like some crazy lady not gonna buy, which I'm not gonna buy. Oh, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. People are in here looking at me, shopping in the the Lego aisle, like, what the hell is that lady doing over there? I'm not supposed to be getting any weights, but is it weird that I did not know they sold little dumbbells at Target? Like, where was this whenever we were on lockdown? Okay, back to a trip to the baby aisle. Home furnishing. The store aisles that always get me in trouble. Oh, look how cute. Bath towels. I just love patterns like this. I used to be in like all white, but now I'm into that grandma style. Like, I like knitted things and quilted designs. Like anything that makes me feel at home and cozy. Might pick up some more formula too while I'm at it. Right now, formula is really hard to come by. So my baby does drink Similac. I'm not the one that's recalled. I've tried to switch to other brands altogether, like Enfamil, but he hates the way that that tastes. He won't even swallow it. So right now he does like the Total Care one. This one is the Baby Einstein. Let's see if they have this. Sky Explorers Walker. Okay, I think this is it right here for 70 bucks. Last two stops are Walmart to return this first bouncer and then CVS to pick up some more prenatal vitamins. I do nurse, so I still take the prenatal vitamins because they're for postnatal too. Did you guys think I forgot you? Never that. Also, gotta go get some dog food because my fur baby is running low on his dog food. Can't have that. There it is. This is his favorite brand. Caesar filet mignon, the prepper bag. But I've never seen it in a big bag. So I'm gonna take advantage of this. I need another one of these bottle cleaners. Ooh, you guys, next month I think he's gonna get approved for his high chair. Eating Whole Foods. I'm gonna go out and buy him a high chair. I cannot wait. And then I'm gonna be able to buy him little bowls. I don't care what nobody says. Shopping for your kid is one of the funnest things about having kids. Like, don't get me wrong, I love shopping for myself, but buying baby stuff, it just feels so like adult, so liberating and responsible. Like, look at this, a Sure Grip Miracle Mat. Something that I do is I take mental notes, or I also take visual notes. Like, I'll take a picture of what I want to get, so whenever the time does come, like, I have my whole little cart filled online of things that I want to get for him, and I just check out and order it once he's approved to eat like solid foods. I like to use this CVS brand of prenatal vitamins. This one right here, 250 milligrams of DHA, dietary supplement. Sometimes they're a discount. Look at that. Buy one, get one free.
Welcome. If you have your extra care card, taking it.
Look who just woke up from his nap. Hey, baby. What you doing? Hey, honey. He can kind of touch the floor with it, you guys. Like, look. He's like on his tippy toes. He's playing with it. Junior. His one little foot. Look at this one little foot going. Shrimp Alfredo with green beans. I used elbow pasta. I've noticed a pattern with him. Whenever we're about to eat, he cries, and when I give him a bottle, he's satisfied. So I'm pretty sure he knows when it is lunch and dinner and breakfast. And he's like, I want to eat too. Look at this little face. He stopped drinking when I put the camera on him. What are you doing? Is it good? In my last vlog, you guys got to see me and my husband eat at our bar, a nice home-cooked meal. And today you get to see something very realistic, which is me eating on the couch with my baby while my baby drinks his bottle. Sometimes I can't just sit down and have a meal at the bar or the table. It's more convenient to eat wherever I'm at with him. So here is the pasta and green beans that I heated up that I cooked earlier today. Just took a trip to my mom's house. She is cooking. Look at this, y'all. That is catfish and crawfish tails. She's smothering them in a nice tomato-based gravy with some green beans. Look at this. Y'all, my mama can cook. Hey you guys, it is another day. I'm actually about to go out on a date with my husband. This is going to be the first time that we are taking Junior out to a restaurant, just the two of us. So we'll see how this plays out. I'm about to go get ready really quick, nothing too serious. I'm actually just going to throw on some lipstick and cute little outfit. For today's look, I'm trying to keep it like mom sexy, which is something that I've actually never done. So I'm gonna be pairing this teal and gold top with a cute canary yellow skirt and these flats. I actually got both the top and the flats from Ross Dress for Less about a year ago, and I just never worn them. And then the skirt I got from Fashion Nova. All right, you guys, this is how it looks. Just some lipstick, took my hair down. I don't know, I might start wearing it curly again. This is my natural hair, but just a little bit of lipstick on the lips. This cute little top, canary yellow skirt, and these adorable flats. I don't know, this top, it just looks so mom-like to me. I mean, look at the sleeves. That's kind of why I put my hair like this. I don't really care for the sleeves all that much. So I'm like covering it with some of my hair pulled to the front. But it's still so cute. Like, I'm a grown woman, y'all. I look like grown. With my braces, looking 16. Junior's outfit. Hey, sleepyhead. He's kind of sleepy. Has this cute set of overalls that his auntie Allison sent him. And this striped blue onesie. And some really simple white shoes. These are from Gerber. Show them what you could do. He does not like wearing shoes, you guys. I'm actually probably going to take them off and just let him wear his socks. Want to bounce? All he likes to do nowadays is jump like this, you guys. What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Look, Papa, look. We're waiting for them to come and do the hibachi. Tastes like syrup.
When you first come in, a lot of people say that's a little, I don't know, like. That's cool.
I don't know if he's scared or excited, y'all.
You need one more? Here you go, sir. One more for you.